Hello students, let's begin with the lesson the noun, and today we are going to deal with the gender, that is gender, right? So let's begin. Let's know about gender. Gender is a division of nouns and pronouns and sometimes of other parts of speech. So what is gender? It is a division of noun and a pronoun, and sometimes it's a division of other parts of speech also. So gender is of four kinds, that is masculine, feminine, common, neuter, all these genders. We are going to deal with each of them now. So what is masculine gender? Students, masculine gender means dealing with anything related to the male category, right? That is called masculine gender. So let's see the definition for the masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male animal or the category of man is called masculine gender. Some of the examples are as follows: actor, hero, boys, etc. Now, what is feminine gender? So, anything dealing with the girls or the women is called feminine gender. So, let's see the definition for this. A noun that denotes female animal or category of girls, women, is called feminine gender. I hope students, you must be wondering why am I saying that it's female animal. So, over here, animal means we come under the category of animal kingdom, right? There is plant kingdom, there is animal kingdom. So we come under the division of animal kingdom. Hence I have mentioned over here animal, right? Female animal or the category of girls, women or women is called feminine gender. So examples are girls, actress, heroine, etc. So next is common gender. So common as per the name, that is you cannot identify whether it's male or female, or some of the names are such that you cannot recognize whether we are talking about a male or a female. So let's see the definition. A noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be a common gender, such as child, student, teacher. A child can be a girl child or a boy child. A student can be girl, boy, both. Anything. Teacher can be a lady teacher, a male teacher. So with this we cannot identify whether it's a male or a female. So hence it is called a common gender. Now the last category of gender is neuter gender. Noun that refers to a thing without life. The noun which is referring to a thing without life, neither male nor female. It doesn't, we cannot identify it as male or a female, and hence it is said to be a neuter gender, such as, students, I hope you will be able to understand, book, table, doll, room. We cannot identify it as male or a female, hence it comes under the category of neuter gender. Now see students, we are going to discuss regarding the personification. Personification means the non-living objects which are resembled as living object in poetry or write-ups. So and hence it is called personification. So over here you can see the feminine gender is sometimes applied to objects remarkable for beauty, gracefulness. When we try to speak regarding, when the poets try to speak regarding beauty and gracefulness, they speak regarding, they take it as a feminine gender. But when we are talking about, when a author or a poet is talking about violence, strength, all these, then it comes under the category of masculine gender. Then they refer to as a male personality. Hence you can see sun, summer, death, these are resembled as, these non-living objects are resembled as that is masculine gender. Now objects without life are personified. Now you have seen objects without life such as beauty, gracefulness, these are objects, they don't have life, they can be felt, or they are non-living objects, sun, summer, death, etc. So objects without life are personified. They are, when they are used in any of the poetry or poem, when they are used as a male or a female, then they are called, or or simply you can say these non-living objects are given life and are called personified, and they can be said to be personified. Now you see, objects without life, when some referred to as male or female, is called personification. Such examples you can see over here. I'll give you some examples. You can see it's mentioned on the screen. It's the house telling you to close your eyes. Now you students, just have a look. House is a non-living object. It has been personified over here. Why it has been personified over here? Because telling is a living object. Telling, that is speaking, can be done by living things. A non-living thing can never speak. Have you ever seen a house speaking? No, I don't think so. Hence, non-living thing, when they are resembled as a living thing, when they are taken as a living thing, or when they are resembled as a living thing, that is house telling you to close your eyes, then house has been personified over here. As per the name person, it has been resembled as a person. Hence, it has been personified over here. Lights will guide you home. Now see over here, lights. Lights never, these are not living objects. I don't think it is a living object. Light can never guide you towards your home. Light over here has been resembled as a person, which is going to guide you towards your home. Hence, light will guide you home. So light over here has been personified. Hence, you can see how we use these non-living objects to resemble something living in the given ways. Now see students, masculine gender and feminine gender. Some of the masculine genders are mentioned over here, whose feminine gender has been mentioned in the next row. That is bachelor, spinster. The masculine gender of bachelor, and the feminine gender we call it as spinster. Now bullock, male, that is masculine gender. Heifer, it comes under the category of feminine gender. Hart, roe. Gander, the feminine gender of gander is goose. Masculine gender of cock, then feminine gender is hen. Masculine gender stag, feminine is hind. Next, by adding syllables ess, ine, trix, a. So let's see, feminine, masculine and feminine. So now masculine over here, author, when it is written as a feminine, we write it as authoress. Then testator, we write it as testatrix. Then hero, then it comes, then feminine is written as heroine. Sultan, sultana. So you have seen that in the case of author, authoress, ess is added up to make it feminine. Testator, we add testatrix, trix, to make it feminine gender. Next, hero, we add up ine to make it heroine, and then sultan, we add up a to make it sultana, which is a feminine gender. Now see, dropping the vowel to of the masculine and adding ess. Hunter, huntress, prince, princess. What we have done in this case, we have just dropped down the vowel and then we have added up ess. So hunter, huntress, prince, princess, ess has been added up. Next, see, I hope I was able to make this lesson very clear to you. Thank you, all of you.